Welcome to Runway Academy. Today, we're exploring how you can modify existing videos that you have to get the videos that you need with Aleph 2.0 inside of Edit Studio. Aleph 2.0 is Runway's powerful video editing model that lets you change or modify any part of an existing video. To use it, head over to the Apps section and locate the Edit Studio app. Let's start by uploading a video into Edit Studio, then choosing a frame in our video to make an edit to. As a general rule of thumb, you'll want to choose a frame where your subject is clearly visible, which may not be the first frame, or maybe a subject that's only introduced later in the shot. Now, in the prompt box, let's apply our edit. Add a large hand grabbing the truck, picking it up like a toy. For generating a keyframe, you can choose between a few different models, or upload your own if you'd like. Just make sure that the edit is exact to the frame to get the best results. Once your edit is done, click on the thumbnail to preview your transformation. If you like it, go ahead and click the Generate button. Your video will start generating inside of Edit Studio, and the edit that you made will take place across the whole video. With each video generation, you have the option to add an additional motion prompt to help steer the video a little more. For example, if we add a prompt of, the giant hand starts outside the frame, then reaches in and grabs the truck, that will produce a more customized result, which functions differently than just a keyframe on its own. As you continue to make more generations, your video versions will appear directly under the original video, and your keyframes will always be attached to the video that they were created on. Once you make a keyframe, you can reuse the prompt, or make an edit from the keyframe directly. This process can be useful for adding a lot of new edits more iteratively. If you need to add a new video to your Edit Studio session, you can use the plus button at the bottom of the stack. When uploading a video into Edit Studio, make sure that it's at least 2 seconds long and no more than 30 seconds long. Video should be 24 or 30 frames per second, up to 1080p. You can use videos with multiple cuts as long as it's less than 10 total cuts in the video. Here I have an example of a multi-shot video of this man dancing in his office. I'm going to find a frame where we see as much of his body as possible, then make my keyframe edit to turn him into a different character. Now when I generate, that keyframe will propagate across all the edits in my video. With Edit Studio, you are only limited by your imagination. If you can describe it, you can change it. Add, remove, swap, change, or augment any part of the scene by using targeted keyframe edits. More updates are slated in the near future, but to learn even more about Edit Studio, head over to the Runway help articles, or you can head over to Discord to see how other community members are using Aleph 2.0. If you need to ask us a question directly, you can always use this button on your dashboard at any time.